Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes.
The following are the cube of numbers from 1 to 10. This is the table in which some numbers are given from 1 to 10 and their cubes are also given. How we derive this? Suppose it is 1. So the cube of 1 is 1 raised to the power 3. It means what? It is 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So the cube of 1 is 1. Similarly, 2, the cube of 2 is 2 raised to the power 3 and it is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and that is equal to 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8 that you can see here. Now, similarly, we calculate the cube of 3. It is 3 to the power 3 and it is multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the cube of 3 is 27. Now cube of 4. Cube of 4 is 4 raised to the power 3. It means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Other cubes, cube of 5, cube of 6, cube of 7, cube of 8, cube of 9 and the cube of 10 that you complete here. How it is? It is the next number is 5, 5 raised to the power 3. It means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. It is equal to 49 multiplied by 7. So it is 7 9s are 63, 6 carry over, 7 4s are 28 plus 6. It is a 34. So 343 is the cube of 7. Now the next 8 raised to the power 3. It means it is 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. 8 8 is 64 multiplied by 8. That is 8 4s are 32. 3 carry over. This is 512. And now it is 9. So the cube of 9 is, that is 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. It is 9 9s are 81 multiplied by 9 gives the 9 1s are 9, 9 8 the 720, 72 sorry, 729 is the cube of 9. Then it is 10 multiplied by 10. It is equal to 1000. So like this we complete this table in which the cubes of 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 are not given. You can solve this and complete this table. Now this is the table in which following are the cubes of numbers from 11 to 20. These are the numbers 11 12 13 14 up to 20 and here their cubes are written. By observing this table we can say that here it is we are even, so are our cubes. It means 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 are the even numbers, and their in their cubes are also even. It means we can say that if the given number is even, suppose we are talking about this 12, that is 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12, and it is 1728. So this 12 is a even number and their cube is also a even number. So we can say that if our given number is even, then our cube is also even. Similarly, we can say that if our numbers are odd, suppose 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, we are odd, so are our cubes also odd. It means suppose we are taking here 11, it means 11 multiplied by 11, so it is 1331. It means 11 is an odd number and their cube is also a odd number. Now we are talking about the cubes and their prime factors. This is our heading, cube and their prime factors. Here prime factorization of a number, suppose the number 4 is there, so their prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2. Suppose the number is 6, then the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Suppose the number is 15, then the prime factors are 3 and 5. Suppose the given number is 12, then the prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 3 is 12, and we can write this 4. This 4 we can write as a 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, because 4 is not a prime number, but 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. So we can convert our factors in a prime numbers. So it is the prime factorization of a given number 12. The prime factors of 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So now we are talking about prime factorization of its cube. Suppose the given number is 4. So the cube of 4 is what? That is 4 raised to the power 3, and it is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. These are the factors of a this is the cube, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, or we can say it is the factors of 4 is what? That is 2 multiplied by 2, then this 4 again 2 multiplied by 2, and for this 4 again it is 2 multiplied by 2. So we can say that 4 is not a prime number, but this 2 is a prime number. So we convert all these factors 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, because 2 is a prime number. So all these are the prime factors of a cube of 4. And what is the, how we write this? We can write this like a, it is 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. Like this we can show the cube of the 4, because 2 raised to the power 3, 2 to the 4 to the 8, and 2 to the 4 to the 8, and 8 is the 64. Again we can write here this 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64. So this is our answer, because the cube of 4 is 64, and we can show this in this form. It is the prime factorization of a factors of 4. It is cube of 4, that is 64. Similarly, we have 6 here. The cube of 6 is 216, and their prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. It means 2 cube, 3 cube. Similarly, we can write the prime factors of cube of 15 and cube of 12. So each prime factor appears 3 times in its cubes. This is the point that we note specially. Each prime factor appears 3 times in its cube. Now we are going to talk about Hardy-Ramanujan number. What is this? It is 1729. 1729 is the smallest Hardy-Ramanujan number. There are an infinitely many such numbers. Few are 4104. The factors of this is 2, 16, 9, 15, 13,832, and the factors of this is 8, 20, 2, 24. Now we are talking about cube roots. This is cube root. We write cube root of 8 as a 2. The symbol this cube root denotes cube root. It can be written 3 under root. It is called cube root. Consider the following. Statements is 1 raised to the power 3. It means the cube of 1, that is 1. Cube of 2, that is 8. Cube of 3, that is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 125. So statement is 1. Statement is cube of 1 is 1, and interference is cube root of 1, that is 1. Again, the cube of 2 is 8, and cube root of 8 is, that is cube root of 2 raised to the power 3, that is 2, because cube of 2 is 8 and cube root of 2 raised to the power 3, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Here we can write 2 3 times because 2 is having the power 3. So it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 8. And here we can make the pair of 3, out of which we can take 1, that is 2. So it is a cube root. This is the cube root and this is the cube. 8 is a cube and 2 is the cube root. Similarly, the other numbers are given here. Statement is like this and interference is like this. It is from 1 to 10. The cube of 10 is 1000 and the cube root of 10 is, that is, okay, the cube root of 1000 is 10 number. If you know that the given number is a cube number, then following methods can be used. Step 1. Take any cube number as 857375 and start making groups of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit of the number. It is first group, that is 375, and it is the second group 857. We can estimate the cube root of a given cube number through a step by steps process. We get 375 and 857 as two groups of 3 digits each. Step second. The first group, that is 375, will give you the ones 4 units digit of the required cube root. The number 375 ends with 5. We know that 5 comes at units place of a number only when its cube root ends in 5. So we get 5 at the units place of the cube root, because in a 375 the ones digit is 5. Now the step 3. Now take another group, that is 857. We know that 9 square equal to 729, and 10 is 9 cube is 729, and the cube of 10, that is 1000 also. So 729 is less than 857, and 857 is less than 1000. It means what? 857 comes in between 729 and 1000. We take the ones place of the smaller number 729 as the tens place of the required cube root. So we get cube root of 857,375, that is 95, because in 729 the ones digit is 9. So like this we can derive the cube root of a cube number.